Hi, it's Steve from Play.Empire. Spring is upon us and we are now looking to enhance a lot of the outdoor areas. That comes at a cost, we know that, and we have a fantastic offer for you. Basically, anything you spend before Friday the 7th of April, which is Good Friday, on the Millhouse Outdoors range, we will do you a voucher and email it you for the exact VAT that you've paid, regardless of how much you spend. Your full VAT bill will come back to you as a voucher to spend on our website against any other product. Okay. The Millhouse range outdoors is fantastic. It is up there with the best. It's made in the UK. It's got a 10 years guarantee. They use sustainable materials. It's designed to last. The wood is splinter free. They even do a range which is suitable for children aged under 3 years. So it's perfect for early years settings. Also, recently, I'm sure you've discovered as well, lead times have been too long. We know that. We've addressed it. These products will be delivered to you within 2 weeks. So yet again, you're going to be saving the VAT. You're going to get your product in 2 weeks, and we believe you're going to be getting some of the best outdoor equipment which is available to early years settings. So if you want to have a look at the full range, go onto our website. The first slider you'll see at the top says Millhouse Outdoors. Click on there and it's all sectioned off into the different sections, and anything within that range falls into this, where we are going to send you every penny of the VAT that you spend. So thank you very much, and I hope you like the offer.